Okay, let's assemble your new slatted Ottoman bed from Elliots Beds. Identify all parts and place the headboard onto the desired wall. Next, fix each side rail onto the hooks of the headboard and hand tighten the nuts. Repeat this step for the other side rail. Next, place the baseboards onto the floor and push up to the headboard. Repeat this step for the other baseboard. It is perfectly normal to see a small gap between the baseboards. This is for proper ventilation. Fix the footboard onto the side rail hooks and tighten with a 14mm ratchet or a spanner. Once the bed is assembled and tightened, open the small box which includes the fixtures for the ottoman. Identify all the parts. Now you can open the slatted ottoman and place across the bed or into an area where you have plenty of space. Use the metal brackets to fix onto both ends of the slatted ottoman. Apply the mattress stopper through the holes and attach the nuts from underneath. Tighten by hand and then tighten using the spanner provided or a ratchet. Repeat this step for the foot end side. Next, undo the nuts from the side rails. Repeat this step for the other side. Once the bolts have been removed, use the middle support bar and fix the bolts back into the same location. This is where the slatted ottoman will rest. Now lift the slatted ottoman above the bed and place carefully onto the support bar. Align the holes and using the bolts provided, carefully drop the bolts through the holes and tighten from underneath using the nuts provided. Make sure these are nice and tight using a spanner or a ratchet. Now lift up the slatted ottoman. Attach the gas pistons provided, making sure the thin side is facing down. Make sure everything is fully secure and tight. Attach the strap to the foot end of the slatted ottoman. Bring the slatted ottoman down to a close and place your mattress on top. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new bed from Elliots Beds.